Looking for a reliable, cost-effective solution for sample homogenization? Meet the Refurbished Masticador IULALA016. Precision, performance, and value in one powerful machine. Designed for microbiological and food analysis, this paddle blender ensures thorough homogenization with a capacity of up to 400 mAh. Whether you're processing biological or food samples, its adjustable speed, ranging from 3 to 12 strokes per second, gives you total control for optimal results. Set your processing time anywhere from a few seconds to 99 minutes and let the Masticador do the work. Its autonomous operation makes workflow seamless, while the stainless steel chamber ensures durability and easy cleaning. Plus, with a silent, robust motor and a reinforced door, you get smooth performance without the noise. At Galileo Scientific, we carefully review, recondition and service every refurbished unit to meet the highest standards, so you get top-tier performance at a fraction of the cost. Upgrade your lab with the Masticador IULALA016, reliable, efficient and built to last. Order now